Inside the box for your Acteon Piezotome Cube, you will find a small, flat white box with the Acteon logo. Inside this box is a small bag of irrigation clips. These clips are not autoclavable. You also will find your handpiece with tubing. This is autoclavable. In the white upper foam is a small white box that contains the torque wrench. This wrench is used to secure the tips to the handpiece, and it is autoclavable. You will find your power cable, your multi-function foot switch. You can wipe this down with a disinfectant wipe. The handpiece holder, this is autoclavable. A white box with single-use irrigation lines. These should be disposed after each use. We do make an autoclavable version. At the base, you will find the foam that contains your Acteon Piezotome Cube. Underneath the cube is your irrigation bracket. All new cubes include an extraction tip kit. If this did not ship with your unit, it is redeemable from our free goods portal on our website and will ship separately with the invoice. Inside the extraction tip kit box, you will find two white boxes. One will contain your tip holder that says extraction on the top. This is where you will store all of your tips when not in use, as well as a flat wrench. The other box will contain all of the tips that are included in the extraction tip kit. The tips, the holder, and the flat wrench are all autoclavable. If you purchase the Cube Pro Pack, you will receive a separate box. In this box, you'll have your 3 tip kits, the sinus lift, the intra lift, and the bone surgery tip kit. Just like with the extraction tip kit, the flat wrenches and tip holders are in their own boxes, and the tips for each specific procedure are in separate boxes. All of these flat wrenches, tips, and tip holders are autoclavable.